Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to pay for Zee5 subscription. Firstly, go to zee5.com and log into your account. Click the Buy Plan button on the top right corner of the homepage. Then browse the available subscription options and select the one that best suits your needs. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter payment details and complete the purchase. After the transaction is complete, an order summary page will display your payment and subscription details. Your subscription is now active and you're all set to start enjoying Zee5's exclusive content. With these steps, you'll quickly gain access to the vast library of Zee5 premium content on your desktop or laptop. And you should know that the subscription works also on the mobile app. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.